Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know, I'm sorry. But I'm back today. I'm back with a makeup video. I know, who is she? Does she do makeup videos anymore? Apparently not, but she does today, so here we are. So as it's Gay Pride this weekend, I think it's just, is it just in Birmingham this weekend? Who knows? But it's Gay Pride in Birmingham this weekend, so I thought I would do a makeup look inspired by Gay Pride. I've already done my base and everything because it's just the same as I always do. Nothing new. So for today's video, we're going to be focusing on the eyes because they are the most fun part to do. I'm not really sure what we're going for today. I just know rainbows, and some more rainbows, and maybe a little bit of glitter as well. So if you do like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, let's just get into it. Obviously for today's video we're going to be using this little angel because what represents Gay Pride more than James Charles and a big rainbow. Don't know what we're going to be doing, but I just know we're going to be using the majority of these colours today. So we're basically just winging it. So let's just start doing. Where to even start? Where's my little mirror? Let's go get it. So I'm thinking rainbow, cut crease, double cut crease. I've never done a double cut crease, so we can just experience this together. And if it goes bad, just wish me luck. Thanks. So first of all, I'm gonna grab a big. No, I'm not. Change my mind. First of all, I'm going to grab a little fluffy brush and I'm going to go for... let's start with red. From the James Charles palette, I'm taking the red, which is You're Kidding. I'm just going to dab my brush in there. And just start blending that through the crease a little bit. Packing it on because we want it to be as bright as it can be. I'm going to try not to hold my mirror there because that would just be annoying, won't it? I'm just going to keep going back in with some more on the brush to get it nice and bright. I'm just going to lightly take the same brush with just the excess that's on there and blend it upwards just a little bit just to blend out the edges of that red. On the same brush, we're going to go in with, what are you called? 518, whatever he calls it, which is the orange one here. And we're going to, oh, can you see that orange one there? We're going to blend that next to the red. Again, packing it on so it's nice and bright. Next, we're going to take the yellow, which is B. And just blend that next to the orange. I'm going to keep packing and packing and packing because we want it as bright as we can be. I really want to get some of those neon pigments. I think if I had some of those for this look, that would just make it 10 times better, but blend. And now we're going to take Social Blade, which is this bright green down here, and blend that here next to the yellow. I feel like the green and the yellow are hard to blend because they're just literally opposite colours. Or they're not. Blue's the opposite of yellow, but you know what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to take a clean brush and literally just go along the tops of all the colours just to blend them out a little bit more towards my eyebrow. Next I'm going to take this kind of pointy fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to take the blue, which is Playground, which is this blue here, and I'm going to blend that on the inner corner into the green. And then finally, for the outer corner of the rainbow, we're going to take Skip, which is the bright pink here, and maybe mix in a little bit of Love That, which is this dark one here. So I'm going to go between these two to deepen up the outer corner, and also blend some pink into the red. And pack it on the outer corner. And just blend it into the red. And just blend the edges a little bit with the excess that's on the brush. I'm just going to dip back into the red because I feel like we're losing it a little bit. And we want to keep that red bright. Can you see that little dark patch there? It's really stressing me out, but it won't go away. No! And I'm just dipping into Love That, just for the very outer corner bit here. And there's our first part of the rainbow. So next, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer with a little flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut the crease. My cut crease isn't the best, don't judge. Where I've done the cut crease at the top there, I'm gonna kind of do the rainbow backwards. Does that make sense? Probably not. I'm gonna take an angled brush. This is from Juvia's Place. Just a plain little angled brush. And then I'm gonna dip into Skip, which is the pink, from the inner corner. And this brush was a fail. I'm going to change brushes because this one just isn't working. I'm going to take this tiny little brush from BH Cosmetics again, and I'm going to dip back into Skip and try that bit again. I basically want to do a line here of the rainbow backwards and then cut the crease for a second time and then do something else, but I don't know what I'm going to do there. Next we're going to take the red. We kind of want them to blend together. So now we're going to take the orange. So now that we've got a bit of orange, we're going to go for the yellow. And some green. And blue on the very end where we can fit it. And now we're going to cut the crease again just underneath this line. Wish me luck. That doesn't look too bad if I do say so myself. So I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to take Love That from the palette, which is this darker pink here. I'm a bit undecided as to what I'm doing. What we're going to do, so we're going to carry on with Love That, and we're just going to blend that in the outer corner. I've got a Juvia's Place brush here. It's a blending brush. Pop that in the outer corner here. Up to the cut crease. And what I'm thinking, I'm scared it's going to ruin it, is to put some purples here. We're going to do that. Back to our original brush and taking Single, which is this light purple, and we're going to pop that next to Love That. Don't really know where I'm going with this. Okay, I'm going to take Escape, which is the dark purple here. I'm going to put that on top of the purple we've just done, because I feel like I need a lighter purple for the inside and I don't want to go in with the dark one. So I'm just going to go over that with whatever it's called. Escape. And And then for the very inner part, we're going to take Single, which is the light purple. And just pop that on the very inner bit. And that is what we've got so far. I can't lie. Just gonna give myself a pat on the back for that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. I've done the other eye, and this is kind of what we have. Now I'm just going to drag some colours underneath. I know they're not exactly the same, so please don't come for me. So I'm just going to start with taking basically all the colours that we did on the top bit. I'm going to take underneath in the same order. So starting with Skip, and then blending it again into this bit. And blend those together. Just to join into the blue that we've already got here. And the same on the other side. I don't think I want to put glitter on them. I think I want to leave them as they are. Yeah, I'm just going to leave them like this. So now I'm going to add some mascara and lashes, and I'll be back. So the eyelashes I used were the Sosu ones that you get in Primark. The Kylie lashes, they're only £5. And the mascara that I used was the Rimmel Scandalised Reloaded in black. So next, we're moving on to lips. And I'm using two Primark products. And the first one is this lip liner in Toast. The shade Toast anyway. And then this Velvet Whip lip cream in the shade Brown. So I'm just going to round the outline of my lips with the lip liner, and then I'm going to use the lip cream just on the rest of my lips. So I've decided to go for a nude lip. I was going to do like red, but then I thought, let's play it a bit safe and go for a nude. So we could leave this here. We could, you know, just leave it like this. But since it's Gay Pride and since everyone goes over the top for Gay Pride, I think we're going to add a little more. Don't know what, but we're going to add a little more. Maybe rainbow contour. That could be a shout. Right, we're going to give that a go. I'm a bit worried for this in case it ruins it, but you know, if you want to leave it here, feel free. I'm just going to go the extra mile. Don't need to, but I'm going to do a rainbow contour. Wish me luck, everyone. We're going to start with Skip, which is the pink. Oh, a bit scared for this. I'm good if my hair wasn't in the way. Into the hollows of our cheeks. Now we're going to go in with You're Kidding, which is the red. Is this working? Is this not? I'm just going to pack it on there because I feel like you can't really tell that it's red. I'm going to go back into Skip as well, just to brighten up that pink. Now we're going to take 518 or 518 or whatever it is, because we still don't know. Then we're going to go in with B, which is the yellow. Right, I think I want to leave those there and then maybe blend the green and the blue and the purples up there a little bit. I'm going to take the purple, but the lighter purple, which is Single. On the brush, I'm going to blend that kind of here, so it blends into the pink. I'm literally winging this and just hoping that it works. I feel like I look a bit like an alien. But we're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna keep going. And now we're gonna take playground, which is the blue. And blend that up here. And then finally we're going to dip into the green, which is Social Blade, and pop that right at the top. So now we have a bit of a contour, kind of. Just basically, we're looking a bit like a rainbow. So I'm going to do it on the other side as well. My camera just died, which is why I didn't see me actually finish it. But this is the finished look. So this is the finished rainbow contour gay pride kind of look. I don't think we did too bad considering I winged it from start to finish. Winged it. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any comments down below. I'll see you in my next video.